Hello everyone and welcome to TNV Academy. Today we are going to explore the process requirements outlined in ISO 17025, the international standard for testing and calibration laboratories. Understanding these requirements is crucial for ensuring the effectiveness, reliability, and consistency of laboratory processes. Importance of processes. Processes are the backbone of any laboratory operation. They define how tasks are executed, ensuring consistency, efficiency, and quality in testing and calibration activities. Process approach. ISO 17025 emphasizes a process approach to management. This means that laboratory activities are viewed and managed as interconnected processes that collectively contribute to the achievement of quality objectives. Now, let's delve into the key process requirements specified in ISO 17025. Planning and control of processes. Laboratories must plan and control their processes to ensure that testing and calibration activities are conducted in a systematic and controlled manner. This includes defining objectives, identifying resources, and establishing procedures for process execution. Process interactions. ISO 17025 emphasizes the importance of understanding and managing interactions between processes. Laboratories must ensure that processes are aligned and coordinated to achieve desired outcomes efficiently. Process monitoring and measurement. Monitoring and measurement of processes are essential for evaluating performance, identifying deviations, and implementing necessary improvements. Laboratories must establish metrics and indicators to monitor process effectiveness and efficiency. Process outputs. The outputs of laboratory processes must meet specified requirements and be consistent with the laboratory's quality objectives. This includes ensuring the accuracy, reliability, and traceability of test and calibration results. Process improvement. Continuous improvement is a fundamental principle of ISO 17025. Laboratories must systematically identify opportunities for process improvement, implement corrective and preventive actions, and track the effectiveness of improvement initiatives. Let's now explore some specific process requirements outlined in ISO 17025. Testing processes. For testing laboratories, processes may include sample receipt and preparation, test execution, data analysis, and result reporting. Each of these processes must be carefully planned, executed, and documented to ensure the validity and reliability of test results. Calibration processes. Calibration laboratories must similarly define and control their calibration processes, including equipment handling, calibration procedures, uncertainty evaluation, and calibration certificate issuance. Compliance with these requirements ensures the accuracy and traceability of calibration results. Process documentation. ISO 17025 requires laboratories to document their processes comprehensively. This includes developing procedures, work instructions, and records to guide process execution, ensure consistency, and facilitate traceability. Process validation. Validation of processes is essential to demonstrate their suitability and capability for their intended purpose. Laboratories must validate testing and calibration processes to ensure they meet specified requirements and deliver reliable results. Process auditing. Internal auditing of processes is a key component of ISO 17025's requirements. Laboratories must conduct regular audits to assess process conformity, identify non-conformities, and verify the effectiveness of corrective actions. In conclusion, adherence to process requirements outlined in ISO 17025 is essential for laboratories to demonstrate competence, reliability, and compliance with international standards. By effectively planning, controlling, monitoring, and improving their processes, laboratories can enhance the quality and credibility of their testing and calibration activities. Now, I'd be happy to address any questions you may have. Thank you for your attention and participation. Have a great day. Thank you.